What's up, you guys? Jeffro back again here at the Monkey Cave. And in today's episode, we're going to get into fitting the tubes that we bent last time on this K5 roll cage blazer installation. So what we're going to do is we're going to start measuring out the actual fitment of the tubes under the truck, and we're going to clean them up, and then we're going to tack them in place. And in doing so, like I mentioned before, I like to knock down the hard stuff first. And the hard stuff to me is getting through the firewall and coming through the floor, which are usually in awkward positions or whatever to address those things to get started. And you really are setting yourself up for success by doing that. So that's what we're getting into today. But most of today is hustle. Not so much me talking to you or any of that. I just got to get into the work, actually. So that's what I'm going to cover today. What's up, you guys? We're back again here. We're going to start fitting this tube on the bottom here. Really, all of this goes to setting us up for success, right? So I'm going to come through this hole right here with this tube right here. I've already sanded this off, and I'm going to attempt to land the tube right here on this plate. Now, I'll let you in on a little secret, right? Once I'm all said and done with this right here, and my tube is up through there and everything fits, if I have an issue where I cut it a little bit off right here, before I am actually done with this roll cage, I'm going to drop this landing away one more time, and I'm going to put a 3/16 plate right here to land it on. So it gives me about 3/16 of fudging room, right? Shh, don't tell nobody.